Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? So in today's video, I will be unboxing the Fab bag. So basically it's a monthly subscription box which I'll tell you all the details about in this video. I've been eyeing to buy this Fab bag since quite some time, but I finally thought that I'll just try it out for 1 month and see if I really like the products and everything. Then maybe I can try it out for the next few months as well, since it's a subscription box. So yeah, let's just unbox it, and as we unbox, I'll be giving you other details about the Fab bag as well. So guys, this is what the bag looks like. This is what the box looks like. I think it took about a week and a half to come. These are the two things that I have got, and every Fab bag comes with a pouch like this with their branding. Great, construction sounds have started again. This one particularly is the January Reset Fab bag. It retails for $5.99. It's a monthly subscription box, beauty box. I'm sorry, but you're gonna hear these construction sounds, so can't really do much about that. I stay in Mumbai and construction is just everywhere. The quality of the bag is really nice. Like, it doesn't feel any cheap quality kind of stuff. It feels really good. Let me unbox it. Even the zips quality is quite nice. So that's all inside the bag. Let me open it one by one. So the first thing is, dear Seep, have fun trying these out. Alright, they've also given the price of everything, which is the lipstick, a nail polish, a night cream, and a beauty gel, which I'll be showing all of these. And they've given the price individually also. So let me see, since the bag is for $5.99, how much will these products individually cost me? Okay, so I just calculated the products individually and it's coming up to 2696. 2696 worth products I've got for 599 rupees. So that's pretty great. Moving on to the products. The first thing that is there is the La Roy Holo Me Good. It's a holographic nail enamel. It's basically a nail polish. That's the shade. It's a pretty nice shade. Let me just swatch it on one nail and show you guys. It's basically a shimmer shade. It's not a matte shade, which is nice because I'm all about nudes and natural stuff. That's what the bottle looks like, and I just did a one swatch. It's a really nice nudish shade. The next thing is this small cream by the brand called Botre multivitamin and regenerating night cream, night infusion. This is for 30 grams. Read a little about the product. It's an Ayurvedic product. This luxury moisture rich night cream is clinically proven to help increase cell renewal and delay premature aging, all skin type. And it's pretty basic how to use. Key ingredients being olive oil, almond oil, bhel extract, bottle gourd seed extract, rosemary apple extract, arnica extract, grape seed extract, funnel extract, turmeric extract. So basically pretty much natural. They don't have a lot of chemicals inside. Let me see what it looks. This is what it looks like. It has a very mild fragrance to it as well, and it does not feel extremely thick for a night cream as well. Does not feel like it's gonna end up clogging your pores as well, but I will review it once I have thoroughly used the product. Next thing is a cucumber gel by Skinlicious. It's with aloe vera and coffee berry for all skin and hair types. So I'm sure you can use it as a hair gel or a pre-shampoo hair mask. It's again an Ayurvedic recipe and 100% botanical extract. This is 100 ml. The directions for use says, take the required quantity of gel and massage it gently. For best results, use it at night before going to sleep and post shower in the morning in place of a moisturizer. Okay, I'm probably gonna end up using this before shower or as a hair gel to just soothe out my flyaways and stuff. Now the ingredients in this is cucumber extract, aloe vera extract, pine bark extract, coffee berry extract, carbomer. Let me open it and just see the texture. Basic cucumber gel. You can even use it a little to massage your face with it and then wash it off. Okay, it's pretty thick, so yeah, you can definitely use it as a facial, a quick facial, at night and then massage it off and then wash it off. It's quite nice and it's quite hydrating. I can really feel it really hydrating my skin, and it has a very mild fragrance as well. It can be a nice one-step facial kind of a product. Next thing is there this lipsticks tin box. Let me open this. It has a really cute packaging and it's all tin, so I really like these tin box because you can then store your other stuff in it or take it for travel. You can store jewelry, makeup, whatever you want, so that's pretty great. I have never used this brand's lipsticks before, but I honestly don't have a problem trying out new brands, smaller brands, and supporting them as well. So these are the 4 lipsticks and they're quite different shades. One is nude, one is red, one is a little deep mauvish, and one is pink. So they kind of have sent their entire range from, not entire range like in terms of colors. So let me swatch them and show you guys. Swatch the nude first as always because I'm a sucker for nudes. That's the tip of the lipstick, the brown shade. Shade is 01 Tranquil Brown. Guys, this is the first shade. I happen to quite like it. It's a nice brownish shade. Next one is the red shade, which is the 02 Immortal Ruby. Dark red. It's a really nice pigmented red lipstick. Like the pigment, to be honest with you, it's quite amazing because when, just being honest, when brands are smaller, you don't expect them to be really that good, but this is a really good brand. That's the red shade. Next shade is Arctic Vineyard, so it's little bit of a wine shade. I love this shade, I really do. This is the wine shade, which can be a really nice evening shade. The texture of the lipstick, you guys, is really smooth. They are not patchy at all. They're like really nice, comfortably they sit on your face. They do not feel extremely dry or anything of that sort. They feel really nice and smooth. And their last shade is Lustrous Fuchsia. Really nice bright pink shade here. This is their pinkish fuchsia shade. It's a really pretty pink. Now I'm not that much into pink shades, but if somebody who's into these kind of shades as well can definitely try this out. I mean, it's a full deal. Also guys, I feel these lipsticks are going to be quite long lasting because they don't come off that easily in one swipe, and they're quite matte as well. Like they don't just come off in one swipe. That means that the lipsticks are going to be long lasting. See, it takes a while to take them off. So guys, this is the first time ever that I purchased a Fab bag, and honestly I quite like, from my first impressions, I quite like the products that I've got. Of course, the skincare products I will be able to review in some time once I've used it, but in terms of the lipstick, in terms of the packaging and the presentation of how I've got the products in just 600 rupees is extremely amazing. And not just that, I've got a nail paint, I've got 2 products which are related to skincare. I've got 4 lipsticks with super cute packaging, which like reusable packaging, which I can definitely take for my travel. And the lipsticks that I've got are such diverse shades. Like these probably are the 4 shades that's all you need for a travel. If you're going out to travel and you want to take different type of shades, which is in your brown space, in your red space, in your pink space, in your mauve space, these are only the 4 shades that you will probably need, right? So I found it really worth it. And I'll also let you guys know a little bit about the Fab bag. Just want to know that it's just something that I wanted to personally try. This is not sponsored. Like, I've personally bought it, and even the next one probably I'll personally buy. The best part about is that before you buy the products, they will of course have a surprise factor, because initially they will not let you know what exactly the products are. They will tell you about the makeup products, but they usually don't say about the skincare products so much. So you can decide whether you want to go for this month or not, or skip this month and buy the next month. That is if you're going for monthly packages, which is 599 rupees. Let me tell you a little bit more about their 3 months, 6 months and 12 months as well. So the 3 months package is for 533, but you have to pay a one go amount of 1599. So that is for 3 months. Then for 6 months they have for 483, but yet again you have to pay a one shot amount of 2899. But with 6 months you get a free product as well. You get the free sugar contour and highlight palette. It's worth rupees 799, so you get that free with a 6 months deal that you have to purchase in one go. For that you have to, as I said, pay 2899. And lastly they have a 12-month subscription deal, for which the per month thing is gonna be 416. But yet again you will have to pay in one go 4999, which is around 5000 rupees, and you will get a sugar matte lipstick free, which is worth rupees 1199. So I find this kind of stuff for 600 bucks you get a lot, and it's quite exciting. It's like just gifting yourself a little something on a monthly basis, and I quite enjoy these kind of small gifts as well. So I just thought I'll share it with you guys, and if you guys like this kind of stuff, I will put the link in the description box of where to find this and how to buy it and all of that. And I will, if I buy it next month, I will definitely review it then as well. Yeah guys, that's all for this video. I really hope this was helpful if you were planning to buy a fab bag or any kind of subscription box. And this is one of the very best subscription box I believe in India right now, which is pretty great, because what I really like about it is that they also give reusable packaging with it, which is really nice and thoughtful. That's all for today's video guys. If you like the kind of content that I make, it's basically about makeup and self-care, so do subscribe to my channel and do check out my Instagram page as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.